We are starting our journey today at Bowley's Visitor Centre, which is run by the North Pennines National Landscape Team. The centre and the cafe are both open daily from 10 AM till 5 PM. It has a good sized car park, which also has a charging point for electric vehicles. Now the car park is pay and display by donation, so there is no set price, but the suggested donation is about £2 or £3 for a few hours. Just up the hill from the car park is the Bowley's Visitor Centre. The centre has a gift shop, cafe with outdoor seating and picnic areas, areas for wildlife watching, and a load of outdoor play places for the kids, including a mud kitchen for them to get stuck into. You can find Summerhill Force and Gibsons Cave a short walk from Bowley's Visitor Centre. The walk will take you along the Bowley Beck, through the Bowley's and Gibsons Cave Nature Reserve to the waterfall. It only takes around 30 minutes to do the route there and back. While the route to the waterfall and the cave is relatively easy, there are a few steps and inclines, so I do suggest that you bring some good footwear. Summerhill Force is a scenic 10-metre waterfall on the Bowley's Beck. The word force derives from the Old Norse word foss, meaning waterfall. Gibson's Cave refers to the dramatic deep recess worn away by the water behind the fallen curtain of the beck. Over thousands of years, the Bowley's Beck eroded a layer of softer sandstone and shale sitting beneath a harder layer of limestone, continually dropping the falls and creating the hidden cave. The cave is named after a 16th century outlaw called William Gibson, who was on the run from the constables at Barnard Castle. The legend states that he successfully hid in the rocky recess behind the falls.